Hello, everybody. It is Juan from Colombia. I'm down at my hotel in Warrnambool, and today I am making my Christmas cake for you. So to start the process, we need flour into one part flour, like so, into the bowl, and we also need some sugar for our Christmas cake, Colombia style. This is not cocaine, this is sugar. Here we go, into the bowl. And we need one egg. One joke is very funny. One egg. And what we also need, the secret ingredient, little Kris Kringle pies. These little Kris Kringles, we put them all in the Christmas bowl. We mix them all up. It's a lovely Christmas cake. My mother passed this recipe down. She would be very disappointed that I'm sharing it, but it'll be delicious cake. And we mix it all up. And then, once we have finished mixing, before we put it in the cake tin, we must take out the little ingredients before these add flavor. And the first little ingredient we have, oh my goodness me, we take them out in order. We have Jordi. Oh, it's quite messy. We got to take out 8 of these this season. It's been a busy year in the family. We have an extra person. Oh, Jordi by Kris Kringle present for RC. Okay, into this cake mix. We should get, make sure you have your oven on 180 degrees and bake this cake for 35 minutes. You will see it gets nice and golden and all the bits. I say, bar for black hay. This is a mess. Okay, sorry, my boss will be unhappy about the mess, but we have no guests in the hotel tonight, so it's okay. I think it'll be okay. Okay, black is buying for cutters. Okay, cutters is a different name. We don't have that in Colombia. Oh, here's one. Oh, there's 2. I don't want that one. I'll just take this one. And we see what this one is. Oh, who knows what it is? It's a fiddly process, but trust me, this cake is delicious. Mark, or Mr. Mark. I think he might be, is that the mark of Mrs. Morris? Anyway, Cutters is buying for Mark. And, this messy cake mix. See how it's coming to the rise? It's delicious. Okay, we now, there's not so many left. Oh, in Colombia, my mother would be so unhappy. I have it all over my hands. But there is no other way to take this goodness out. Oh, husband and wife, that's probably very boring, but Rowie, Mark is buying for Rowie. And how many more is left in this goo? Oh, here's one. How do I get this off my fingers? Here we go. How many have we done? 6 down. This one is bread. Rowie is buying for bread. And that means there must be one more in here somewhere. Oh, I don't find one. Oh no, problem. Oh, where could it go? Oh no, this is big problem. Oh, hold on, here I find one. Oh. Well, we know who this one must be. This must be Sammy, but just for the purpose of the audit trail, we must have it verified by independent observation. And if we go into here, oh, lucky we don't have a family at 20. It'd be very gooey. Sammy! We have a Sammy. So, Brad is buying for Sammy. And that means Sammy is buying for, I have a tickle in my Colombian throat. Sammy is buying for Jordi. Okay, well, now we get together for a Kris Kringle in November 23. So, $100 spending limit. I know in peso, that's much dinero. But anyway, I see you at Christmas and look forward to it. Anytime you want to come to Airbnb, very welcome. Bye-bye.